You can download all my worksheets for free in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel.
Welcome to Monster World. Which monster shall we draw today?
Today we're going to draw monsters, so get your pen and paper and draw along with me. So first we're going to do the body and we're going to do the left side. Now we're going to do the right side. Now both sides are different, because that side's pointy and that one's dull. So now we're going to do the eyes, which is 3 layers. You can do as many eyes as you want. I'm doing 2. And the other. And then the pupils in the middle. You can do it facing upwards, downwards. And now we're going to do the mouth. And the tooth. You don't need to have a tooth, but you can if you want. Now we're going to do the spots. Doesn't matter what shape you do, but I'm doing spots and ovals. There's his face with spot. Now we're going to do the body. There are little ones and big ones. There's our little monster, and now we're going to colour it in. You can do whatever colours you want, but I'm going to do a yellow for his teeth. Now I'm going to do a nice red for his body. It can be light, it can be whatever colour. And now for the spots, I'm going to do it green. The big ones and the small ones. We've done most of them and her body. There's one more spot. And then now we're going to do a blue. You can do blue, brown, green, but I'm going to do blue eyes and black for the middle. Now for his mouth, I'm going to do pink. And there's our little cute monster.
Welcome to Monster World. Which monster shall we draw today?
Now we're going to draw our next monster. So first we're going to do the body, which looks like a star. You've done one arm so far. Now we've done 2 arms and 1 head, 4th head. Now we're going to do legs. There's 1 leg, and now we're going to do the other. There. Now what we're going to do is the eyes. You can do as many eyes as you want, but I'm going to do 1. And then these little people. Just a tiny little line and teeth. You can do as many teeth as you want. You can do a bigger line so you can fit more teeth on. Now we're going to do the spots, but you can do whatever shape you want. There's also ovals. So we've done 2 arms and 2 legs, and now we're going to do the 4th head. Done 2 spots. Or a different shape. And there's our monster drawn out. Now we're going to colour it in. So I'm going to use a yellow for his body, but you can do whatever colour you want. And for his eyes, I'm going to do a little some blue, but you can do brown, green or blue. And now we're going to use a black for his little bit where the pupil is, and green for his spots or whatever shape, but you can choose whatever colour you want. There's our spots done. Now for his teeth, I'm going to do like a nice, yellow, but you can do whatever colour you want. You can do teeth colour, or you can do white or green or yellow. And there's our cute little monster done.